back to my channel. So I am really sorry about my voice. I actually got really sick over the weekend and lost my voice and got a really nasty cold and a really nasty cough. So I sound like this, so I'm actually going to do a voiceover for my video today. That way you don't have to listen to all this crap. My voice is finally cleared up. But today I'm doing a Valentine's inspired look. I've never really done anything like this before, so I kind of wanted to try something new. I am really kind of digging this look, and I overlined my lips quite a bit, but I'm a big fan actually. I kind of like it. If you guys would like to see how I did this look, go ahead and keep on watching. If you want to see other like holiday themed looks for me, go ahead and just let me know in the comment section. I did have somebody last time in my last video say that they wanted to see a little bit more bold colors, so I figured why the hell not Valentine's Day. So yeah, if you want to see this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started by using my Somerville Exfolikate Glow Moisturizer. And as a primer, I'm going to use the Smashbox Primerizer, Moisturizer, and Primer in one. My skin has been pretty dry lately, so this has been kind of helping bring it back to life. Next, I'm going to go ahead and tame my brows with the spoolie and use the Benefit Kabrow color number 4. Next, I'm going to use a Glamoflauge concealer. I'm not 100% sure what the color is. I'm pretty sure it's just the lightest shade, but I'm going to go ahead and carve out my brows. And use a Cover FX translucent setting powder to set that on my lid to make it easier to blend my colors. So with the Huda Beauty's Electric Obsessions, I'm going to go ahead and take that lighter pink shade and buff it all over my lid, just as kind of a base color. Next, I'm going to use that lighter hot pink color and a more domed tip crease brush and focus this on my lower crease, but I still want to blend it out really nicely so it's very smooth with the last color. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with that same Glamoflauge concealer, and I'm going to cut the center of my lid out into sort of like a sunset shape. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and I'm going to use the pink shade. I'm going to set this on top of the wet concealer to give it sort of an iridescent glow. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner. I'm not 100% sure what this color is, but I will list it in the description box. And I'm going to create a sharp wing. Now I'm going to use the NYX white liquid liner, and I'm going to create a half moon shape on the top part of that crease. And as you can see, I have already done my left eye off camera. Just was a little bit easier to do without having to worry about looking directly into a camera. And I'm also going to outline the pink liner that I did with the white to give it more of a dramatic effect. And I'm going to go ahead and use that same Glamoflauge concealer, and I'm going to clean up the edges. And unfortunately, I don't know the name of this glitter, but my friend gave it to me as a sample. She works for MAC, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's like this beautiful pink shimmery color. I'm so sorry that I don't know the name of it. And now I'm going to go ahead and throw on some mascara from Benefit Theyre Real before I put on my false lashes. And for lashes, I'm using the Adrell Demi Wispies in black. And I'm going to go ahead and tightline right underneath my lash line. And I'm going to color correct under my eyes with the Sephora Collection Bright Future Gel Color Corrector. And I'm going to blend that in with a Real Technique sponge. And next for foundation, I'm going to use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. The color is Linen. It is a little bit yellow for me. This was my summer color this summer, but I really like the color and I love the coverage of this foundation. So I'm kind of saying screw it, and I'm going with it anyways. For concealer, I'm still using that same Glamoflauge concealer under my eyes and then also in the high points of my face. It is a little bit lighter than my foundation, which I love because it's actually going to help highlight and brighten the rest of my skin. And I'm going to use that Cover FX translucent setting powder to set underneath my eyes and then also on the shiny areas of my face. And then with a Sephora Collection Pro 55 brush, I'm going to dust it all over the rest of my face. And for bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And instead of the brush that it comes with, I'm using the Sephora Collection Pro 79 contour brush. I'm going to put this on my cheeks and then also on my forehead, my temples, and my jawline. I did decide to go in with the brush that it came with just to contour a little bit more. And for blush, I'm using Flowerchild by Becca. Highlight, I wanted to use the new Cover FX glitter highlighters, so I put a little bit on my hand, and then with a wet blender, I'm going to dab that on my cheekbones and my temples. And unfortunately, this is a discontinued Sephora Collection product, but it is a powder highlight, and I'm going to put this on top of that glitter just to kind of give it more of an intense glow. I liked the way that they look together. So a little bit of the purple, a little bit of the chromey color. I love it. And then for under the eyes, I'm going to finish off with those two pink shades that I used for my lids. And I'm going to use the blending side to buff it out to make sure that they're both smoked. So in the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to apply a little bit of latex eyelash glue, and I'm going to use this beautiful glitter again from MAC that my friend gave me that I don't know the name of. However, it is absolutely gorgeous and very chunky, so I felt like it gave a little bit more of a dramatic look. It's also falling out all over my face, as you can see, so I'm taking a little bit of Scotch tape and I'm going to clean that up. So last but not least, a little bit of lip liner and lipstick. I'm using the Buxum Jumbo Lip Liners, and I believe the color is Dolly. I have very small lips, so I'm going to overline them ever so slightly, just to give them more of a plump look. I'm going to blend out the liner with the other end of the lip liner brush. And for lipstick, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Craft, I believe. And once again, because my lips are super tiny, I'm going to overdraw them just a little bit. I felt like I did a little bit more than I normally do, so they do actually look a little bit fuller than normal, but I actually kind of like the way that it looks. It kind of goes along with the rest of the dramatic look, and it's not too ridiculously obvious. And here's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, this is the finished look today. So I hope you enjoyed it. I was actually kind of impressed with how this creasy piecey came out. I actually wasn't expecting it to look like that, but I think it looks alright. If you guys want to see more colors or more inspired looks, like holiday inspired looks, go ahead and just let me know. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more, and I will be posting photos and whatnot on my Instagram as well, which I will put in the description box below. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Happy Valentine's Day!